Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I'm Dave. Welcome back to Pattern Graph. So guys, today we are going to create a polo t-shirt sewing pattern using Richpeace garment CAD. So for creating polo t-shirt, we already received the measurement from our client, and this is the style we are going to create. And these are the measurements. We will going to create man medium size polo t-shirt using these measurements. So let's get started. And if you like our video, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to like our videos. So let's get started. So before started, I had already changed inches into centimeter. If you don't know how to change, you just need to go to the option system setup, length unit, and from here you can change the unit settings. So I had already switched to centimeter, so I don't need to change anything. So for creating this polo t-shirt, what we need to do, first we need to create a block. So which measurement we need to follow first? We will follow the length and chest measurements. Okay, so length is 71. This is the back length from the back. So for now we will only follow these measurement, and if required we will change the measurement. So length is 71 centimeter and chest is half 55 centimeter. So it's half 55 centimeter, and we will going to create the pattern in 1/4. So 55 half is 27.5. Okay, let me show you. It's 55 and length is 71. Okay, so after creating the block, we will mark some points. From here we will mark the shoulder points. Our shoulder is 44 centimeter, so it's 44 half is 22 centimeter shoulder, and we will down it. It's the shoulder drop. We will down it 9 centimeter, 8.5 centimeter. Sorry. So we will down it 3.5 centimeters. Okay. So this is the shoulder drop, and now we will create the neck measurement. We will take 9 centimeter. So these are the marking. Right now we are working on the design line. So first we will design the pattern, then we will proceed for the cutting part. So first we will draw the pattern, that is called design line. Okay, so this is the design line. I had marked the neck width and the shoulder line, and this is the shoulder drop. Now we will mark the front neck drop. So front neck drop is also same. We will make it 9 centimeter and create a straight line and cut it. Okay, let me remove the line. Okay, this is the front neck drop, and this is the back neck drop. Okay, 2 centimeters. Now what we will do, we will create the front neck shape and back neck shape. Just simply draw a line, go to the cursor, then adjust the shape. Same with the back neck. After making the front and back neck, we will check the back neck. Now it's correct. Okay, now what we will do, we will create the armhole. We will create the armhole line. For the armhole line, it's very difficult to assume how much down we need to create the line. So there is a technique which I want to share with you. What we need to do, we had created the chest full half is 55 centimeters, 55 centimeters, and its 1/4 is uh, total is 110 centimeter. Okay, and its 1/4 is 27.5 centimeters. So from the HPS we will down the 27.5 centimeter. So this is the armhole line. Using this point, in this method, you can assume the armhole line, and after that you can adjust as per your requirements. So we had created the armhole straight line. Now we need to give armhole shape. For adding shape, let me also add the across front line, which we will add on 14 centimeter from the HPS. Okay, let's create a straight line. So basically, it's a loose. There are different method for creating the armhole as per the garment. This is a loose polo t-shirt. Then we will just give the shape of the armhole. Okay. So we had created the armhole shape, and if you check the measurement, we have 71 centimeter back length from back. So it's 71 centimeter from the back. So we need to increase the length. So right now it's 71 centimeters. We will remove the line, extra line. Okay. So we had created the basic outlines for our t-shirt style. Let me check the style. It also have the front buttons, button placket. We will add it later. And now we will create the sleeve. I think we also have the sleeve measurements. We also have the bottom hem measurements. Let me also add it. It's 55.5 centimeter. Okay. Then what I will do, I just go to double 55.5 centimeters. Okay. Let me move the line from here, join it. So let me check the measurement. So armhole is 27.32 centimeters. Let me adjust it. Adjust curve tool. Using adjust curve tool, we will adjust the armhole length. So I want to make it 25.5 centimeters, and I want to move the line above. Let me remove the line. Let me join the line here. Let me redo, because I forgot. We already have the line. Let me remove the extra line. Let's join the line. I'll start it. So our armhole right now is 25.5 centimeters, and now we need to create the sleeves. Okay, for the sleeves, I also need to create one more block, and let me check the measurements. Sleeve length is 23.5 centimeters. So 23.5 centimeter length, and width we will take 22 centimeters. Okay, and down it almost 15, 13 centimeter will be the width. Now we will adjust it. Okay, now we will create the armhole sleeve armor curve shape. Let me adjust it. Right now, just create the shape. We will adjust the measurement later. Okay. So this is the shape we will going to use. Let's check opening. Okay. So we have 25.5 centimeter and here 26.5 centimeter. Okay, so we can make it 26.5 centimeter extra. Okay, just adjust it. There we go. We had adjusted the sleeve also. Let me also adjust it from the top. Done. Now we need to make the armhole opening. For that, again we need to mark the armhole. We don't have the measurement of a sleeve opening for this area. Okay, then we will do those measurements from our side. So we don't have those measurements. Then we will take 20 centimeters, not 20 centimeters here. So much. Oh, it will be 20. 119 centimeter will be the okay. Okay. So we had created the sleeve, front and back. Let me open it to show you. Okay. So this will be the front, this will be the back, and this will be the sleeves. Okay. Now what we need to create? We need to create the collar. Okay. And the front button bracket. So that's great. Let me create those missing part also. So for the front bracket, we will create the length is 11.5 and we will make it almost 1.5 1.5 centimeter. Okay. So total is 3 centimeters placket width. Okay. So this will be the placket. So now only one thing is remaining, it's the collar. We had completed the placket outline, okay, design line. Now we will create the collar. For collar we will create a straight line. First let me measure. Sorry. Let me first, because this part will also measure. Sorry. Let me measure. So collar length will be 23.5 from 7 and width we will create maybe 9 or 10 centimeter. If you have the original garment, similar original garment, you can also measure the measurements, measure the collar from there. We will use 9 centimeters height for collar. Okay, so let me create. It's 23.5 on 7 and 9 centimeter column. Okay. So these are the column measurements. There are two ways of creating columns. We can give a little curve shape in the column, which will, from my opinion, which is better than creating a straight box. Okay, so let me create that column. We will just give the slight curve, so when it will fold, it will to properly fit on the neck. Okay, let me create. For creating curves, we will use flouncing tool. Just need to select total design line, then right click, then select the pose area, then right click, then just need to rotate. Okay, this one is it. Now again we need to adjust the measurements, because when we had make it curve, the measurements are increased. 23.157 is the measurement. Done. So this is the column. I think we had completed the pattern design line process. Now we need to create the pattern from the design line. This is the total part, because before creating the pattern we need to create the design lines. So whatever the changes we will make, we can make the all changes in the design line, and after confirming everything we will create the pattern. So let's move to the pattern. For cutting these all design lines, you will use the Perfect tool. The shortcut is W. Just select the lines. Okay. Front. Back. Sleeve and column, and placket. Don't forget to create the placket. Okay, this is the placket. So all pattern parts we had cut. Let me hide the design line and switch it to the pattern. So these are the pattern parts for the polo shirt we had created. Now we need to give the pattern names, seam allowance, and style details. Okay. The bottom we will add 1.5 centimeters, 1.5 centimeter seam allowance. Okay. And in other area we will add 0.5 1 centimeter seam allowance. Here also we will add 2.5 centimeters. Here. Okay. Now we will add the pattern names. It's front, back, sleeve cut into two, collar, front, bottom, back. Okay. Just change the green line. Use the green line tool. And we also need to add the size. This one is medium size. Okay, you can check the details here on the green line. I also want to add the design name. Go to the pattern style information. Here we will add the style name. This is golf golf t-shirt. Okay. Pattern, redefine green line for all patterns. So we have the style name, pattern names, theme rounds. Okay. Now let me open. Let let me clear why this pop-up is showing. We had a grading point, that's why we cannot open it from the center. First we need to remove that grading point. Click the line, just select and delete it. Okay. Now we can we also need to open it. Okay, this one also, and this one also. Okay. So let me add some notches. So whenever we will stitch, it's easy for him to understand which part will join where. We will add a notch at the center back. We will also add some notches at armhole. Okay, so from the center we will add notch at 10 centimeter. Okay. Double notches at back 10 centimeters. Double notch. Same with the other part. I had open it first. Same notches we will add on the other side. Done. So we had created the polo t-shirt patterns. Let me redefine. Sorry. Redefine the green line. Okay. So we had created the pattern. This will be the plugin. Let me also add button marking. So we will add 3 buttons. 1.5 centimeters, 2 centimeters distance, and from the bottom distance will be the 3 centimeters. 2 centimeters will be the offset. 1.5. So they have 2 centimeters distance from one button to another. Let me redefine green line again. So this is the polo t-shirt pattern we had created in Richpeace garment kit. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please share with your friends and colleagues, and you can also follow us on our Instagram. Our Instagram handle will be showing on the display. You can follow us, and you can also directly go to the Instagram and search for the pattern draft. You can follow us on Instagram. We will try to upload every updates there. And thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.